So ito guys, yung ating breakfast for today guys. Ayan. So meron akong hamonado. And then omelette eggs guys. So this is it for today's breakfast guys. And this is my Fit Gum coffee guys. And guess what guys? I'm so happy because nawala na ako guys ng nag-pause ako guys ng 3 kilos guys. So I'm so happy guys kasi dito sa Fit Gum coffee. And Fit Gum baka naman. Ayan. So hindi ako sponsor ng Fit Gum guys, pero ito talagang iniinom ko dahil epektibo sa akin. So and look at me now guys. Makikita guys ang effect niya guys. So bali 5 days ko lang siya guys na nainom at nagbawas na ako ng 3 kilo guys. So diba? So that's it.